You ever notice on your drywall taping knives that one side is concave? Well, I left the sticker on this knife so you'll be able to follow along during this video and show you how to use that concave side to finish factory joints. So basically, I'm just going to apply the joint compound, concentrating it in the center of the tape joint. These factory tape joints have a beveled edge, so they're made to accept the joint compound and turn out nice and flat. Butt joints take a little more work. Like I said earlier, the sticker is on the concave side. With the concave sticker side, you just want to apply the pressure in the center, and it actually just feathers and applies the mud perfectly. Now I'm using the other side to smooth out any edges. One more wipe. So whenever I want to smooth something, I use the non-sticker side. Now that's flat. I'm on a drywall repair project where they had some water damage, and it's time to do the inside corners. You can use a 12-inch knife to get the initial load of mud up in the seam. This makes for a cleaner corner. Then what you want to do is square it up with a 6-inch knife and get the excess mud off. Now you want to take your folded paper tape and stick it in the corner. Just run your fingers up and down and kind of embed it a little, then take your 6-inch knife and apply pressure so it squeezes out most of the mud, but you don't want to squeeze it all out. Wipe it down and you're good to go. Do you have an ugly ceiling? Well, if you do, you're going to want to watch this video because I'm going to show you how to skim coat and make your old ugly ceiling look brand new again using my paint roller trick. I'm using an 1.25 inch paint roller cover, and then to smooth out all the skim coat, I'm using a 14-inch drywall taping knife and mud pan. So basically, I'm just going back after I roll on the thinned down all-purpose joint compound with my 14-inch knife and smoothing over it. It's a pretty simple process and goes super fast. Subscribe for more skim coating and drywall tips. Thanks for watching.